To reset your Whoop charge, you need to start by locating the small reset button on the device. The reset button is typically found on the back or bottom of the Whoop charge and may be marked with a small icon of a circle with a line through it. Next, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the lights on the device start flashing. This indicates that the reset process has begun. After the lights start flashing, release the reset button and wait for the device to complete the reset process. This should take a few seconds and the device will automatically restart when it is complete. Once the device has restarted, you can try charging your Whoop again to see if the reset was successful. If the device is still not charging, you may need to try resetting it again or contacting Whoop support for further assistance. It is also a good idea to make sure that your Whoop charge is properly cleaned and free of debris, as this can sometimes interfere with the charging process. In addition to resetting your Whoop charge, you can also try updating the firmware on your device to ensure that it has the latest software. To do this, open the Whoop app on your phone and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select the option to update firmware and follow the prompts to complete the update. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your Whoop charge and get back to tracking your fitness and health metrics.